the greatest danger talaga, nakita ko noon, drugs.
Drugs.
Talagang sisirain tayo. Napakamura, madali gawin, madali maluto, mura. So yan ang kakainin ng Pilipino. And you'll have a lot of zombies around. Okay na. Mo, pag hindi mo hinintuan yung droga mo dito, I will create an internal strife within your state. I will foment rebellion. I will encourage whatever there is that could bring disaster.
Talaga yun ang problema nila ngayon dyan. Tama yung sinabi mo, it will destroy the country.
They are wondering what to do. Ako na, bubombahin ko yung marijuana plantations nila. Ulugan ko na ng napam yan. Kaya sabihin ko, it is to the interest of my country that I will destroy you. So, you decide now. Sisirain ninyo yung drug industry ninyo once and for all o magkagulo tayo.